Good job. There you go. Brush your teeth. Wow, what a big boy. Okay.
Yeah.
Keep brushing. We're not done yet. Big boy.
Ow.
Hey. And then you go spit. Now.
But that was fun.
Spit.
I got that on
Now
camera.
you spit.
No?
Alright, well, one step at a time.
Well, that's good enough.
Okay. Okay, now we go like this. And Daddy does it.
No, with that Jackie thing. It looks like he's ready to do it.
And spit. He drank it. Well, it's alright because it's baby toothpaste. Okay. Look.
You sure that's a cup?
Yeah, it's supposed to be a cup and a toothbrush holder. It's too heavy. We're going to have to get him a...
I think it just holds the stuff.
Oh, alright. Now spit.
Okay.
All done. Good boy. Jackie's first toothbrush.